This is our room tour of Deck 9, room 512. It has an extended aft balcony with a spectacular view. Make sure to watch until the end of the video for a secret about this cabin. What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure. Let's start with the always important safety information. Don't forget to go to your muster station. Here are the light switches and room temperature controls. No need to worry about whether or not you can hang up all of your clothes. There is ample room, even on 7+ day cruises.
Yep. Too jittery.
Oh, yeah, but honey, at least you have something. You got. Your bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
Whoops.
It has the typical cabin bathroom. If you have cruised before, then you know, hopefully, that the bathroom is not where you want to spend a lot of your time. One thing that I do like about the newer ships is that the shower door is glass, and not that over-friendly shower curtain. Now let's take a look at the rest of the cabin. At the headboard are switches for overhead lights. Reading lights are on either side of the bed with USB ports for charging. A sofa is adjacent to the big window.
The sofa does not make a bed. It is not pull out.
We also have the typical desk area. It does have several drawers for additional storage and a mini fridge. Just look how large the television is. I'm glad to see that as the ships are getting bigger, so are the TVs. Here's a closer look at the power outlets at the desk. And now a closer look at the mini fridge, which comes in handy when you have to bring your dessert back from the MDR. This is the drawers. And I almost forgot to film the most important parts of this cabin, so I had to do it on one of our sea days. Here's the little-known secret in the cabin. This stool has multiple purposes. It also acts as more storage. Just make sure you check it on the debarkation day if you put stuff in it. Well, that completes our cabin tour of the Carnival Jubilee. We hope you found it informative if you are staying in it on your cruise. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment below about what you liked best. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to be alerted when our next video comes out.
Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.